You arrived in Lombok and want to experience the best in the shortest time? Well, here I have for you an express travel guide with mind-blowing locations and some experiences you'll never forget. Oh, welcome to Lombok. Forget about pulling hair out of my tummy. That was the wrong beginning, so let's start again. Welcome to Lombok! Lombok! First place I recommend everyone visit is the airport. Yeah, it is important because that means you arrive safe, so let's get over it and get straight to the location number 2, Gili Islands. There are 3 islands world known for different purposes. First, Gili Meno, a romantic escape for honeymoons. Second, Gili Air, with hippie vibes and mainly perfect for snorkel and diving fans. And third, Gili Trawangan, for parties on magic mushrooms. Thanks God they aren't all on the same island. Which one are you keen on visiting it? Lombok has 4 areas with Gili Islands, but the famous ones are located in the northwest side and are reachable by ferry, cost 40,000, or speedboat 350,000, one person, one way. Very expensive. Then I give you a tip. Better visit from Bali. With only 500,000 you get a speedboat both ways plus hotel drop on and drop off. Isn't that a good deal? Gili are famous all over the world for the magic mushrooms, which are grown mostly in Lombok Island. Due to the policy, they are not allowed to commercialize on Lombok, so they are exported to the fun islands. For more on Gili Islands and inside experiences, check out our special vlog, Gili Baby Gili! The home for Sasak tribe, Lombok indigenous people. They are living in Segender traditional village, which is incredible to see it from above. Their orderly laid out houses look like a real estate environment. Here we try some special delights cooked by the locals. Have a look. Okay, what's the name of this? Dodol. Dodol.
Yeah. This is a traditional food.
Traditional food.
Yes.
What? So dodol.
Yes.
Dodol and wajik. Wajik is in fact the rice, sticky rice with brown sugar. Dodol, they smash it until they make it like a dough and put coconut milk as well. So let's see which one is more delicious. Sembalun Village is a traditional Lombok village located about 110 kilometers from Mataram, 3 hours drive. The location of the village, it is at 1150 meters altitude and it is the closest and best area to take a hiking trip on the Mount Rinjani. Since the village is situated in the volcanic area, the soil is very fertile and helps to maintain the vegetables production for the whole island. 250,000 is the accommodation for one night, and the best are the local strawberries. All you can eat for only 10,000 entry ticket to any of the local gardens. Malibu Hill, best place to watch the sunset. Well, we didn't catch it, but we got some stunning images on the beaches nearby, including the most famous local beach, Sengigi Beach. Oh, yeah. Sunut Coast and Pink Beach. Instead, we got astonishing sunset in the other corner of the island in Sunut area, on the Pink Beach. The road is still under construction, but the views are breathtaking. Enjoy the music, the vibes, and the drone shots. But if you wanna see the full Lombok by drone story, check out our vlog 172! Lombok without mention the most exciting side, the place where future Indonesian MotoGP circuit will be built, Mandalika. It is located in Kuta, south area, just 90 minutes away from Mataram city and 1 hour from the airport. If you wanna get more details about amazing MotoGP circuit, which is under construction by the way, check out our vlog 174. Wedding ceremony. Local wedding is another experience you must have when visiting here, and also something more. Be ready every morning at 4:30 to be awake for the...
Guys, it's 4 a.m. 4 a.m. I complain in China that cannot sleep because they work at 6 a.m. Guys, Liodian, Taoshan, they fucking start to work on the streets. Yunshu, Gonzo Yunshu 哪里 Gonzo Yunshu 哪里 我要睡觉6点不可能工作吼吼吼不是吼吼吼现在不能工作不能工作 Yunshu 哪里有的人需要睡觉要睡觉啊啊对啊你又要去旅游啊要去爬山了 But here it's worse 4 a.m. Please listen. No words. How can we sleep? No disrespect, no anything, but do you think this is normal? I mean, this is also part of the culture here, and if you want to travel, you have to accept this. If not, just go somewhere else.
Yeah, if you didn't know, Lombok, it is the island of thousands mosques. And trust me, it is true! If you have insomnia, as I did, get more drinks before you sleep. Or just get used to. Do as Roman do. This was the short trip guide, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave us a comment below, which will be the place you firstly like to visit if you come to Lombok. Thanks for watching. Lion on the road, discover the world. If you liked our shootings, don't hesitate to check some other videos on our channel and help us spread the unique vision about how travels should look like. Lion on the road, discover the world.